Relativity is like a game of Tetris.
What? Let me explain.
For those of you who don't know, Tetris is a game where we have pieces falling from top to bottom, and we can adjust their position sideways. Now let's envision space-time with one dimension of space and one of time. This point is you. You move forward in time, but you can go anywhere in space. So you're like a Tetris piece falling this way through time, but you can move side to side in space. Alright, that's all good, but what about the more subtle properties of relativity? A property of space-time is that if you travel extremely fast, time moves slower and space becomes shorter. We can visualize this by drawing this line. After say 1 second, you'll be at the end of it no matter what. This line always remains the same length in space-time, but you can change its direction like this. You can use it up in a combination of space or time. Of course, this means space looks shorter to you because you think less time has passed, so you also think you've moved less than you actually have. You always know your speed. So this means if we move fast left or right, we'll fall through time slower. There's actually an equation describing this. It says that our change in space squared plus our change in time multiplied by the speed of light squared is a constant. You might recognize this. It's just the Pythagorean theorem. This means that if you're at this point in space-time, this half circle represents the points you could go in space-time. You can't go up, just like in Tetris. Also, there's rules saying that time moves slower in high gravity. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time to explain it, so
Thank you for listening.